full day one in Hawaii.
First full day in Hawaii.
We got some adventuring to do today.
Yes, this is our adventure day that we get to explore on the, is it leeward or?
Sure, we'll go with that.
The east side of
east side of the island.
Yep. So we are up nice and early. Well, usual.
It's like it's 10 till 6.
Yep.
So.
But we gotta get going because Diamond Head
opens at 6.
At 6. It's still dark out, but we want to beat most of the crowds up, and it might take us a little bit to get up to the top, and then we can see the sunrise. And then I don't know if we'll be able to do all that before lunch because I think we want to also just kind of
calm it down too. So we'll see.
We'll see.
We'll just play it by ear.
Yep. But so let's just go adventure. So
we made it here.
Yeah.
It's pitch black, misting, and windy. So I think we may wait in here for a little bit.
Yeah.
You think?
Yeah.
To let it go ahead and kind of get a little lighter so we can see what we're doing on the hike versus just.
I mean, you can't even.
It's pitch black out there. I don't even. That's just like the abyss. I have no idea. Like I just would like fall down.
Hopefully we don't miss sunrise.
Well, we're still gonna get the sunrise while we're walking up the hike.
That's true.
Which would be really cool.
Yeah. We
were just at least trying to get in this parking lot because it gets really busy.
As we found out last time.
We're gonna sit and wait for a little bit.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
So we have made it almost to the top. So there's that.
So we just went through an actual bunker thing. That was cool.
I know, yeah. So we went
down there.
Had to crawl up through that thing. So we still got a little bit more of the trail left. We can see Waikiki Beach off in the distance going that way.
You can see the lighthouse for the lighthouse hike.
Yep. All the way down there. Actually, look, you can see the road too that goes down.
That's cool.
I know, but you see how there's still
got a ways to go.
Yeah, there's still those people up there as well. So, yeah, but just enjoying the view.
Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
It's a little windy.
So what'd you think of the hike though?
And rain. Oh my god. The hike itself was so cool.
Yeah.
We definitely thought that it was just going to be like a paved path with some like tunnels and like stairs, but the actual path itself was like kind of like strenuousy, like just jagged rock type thing.
Well, and it was wet because
and it was wet, so that was what was still raining.
Yep.
So.
But now off to Starbucks to plan the rest of our
caffeine, sandwiches, and rest of our day. We may just drive the
island.
Island.
Yep.
Today too.
We'll figure it out. Stay tuned.
This is my organic chicken pesto sandwich with avocado.
Like,
This is my favorite restaurant ever here.
yep. Look at that. Here, let's see the cross section. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it has bacon in it too.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, try this.
Is it good? Here. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. That's so good.
Isn't that good? Okay, try your poke.
Sure. You got the poke?
We're gonna be real fancy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is that good?
That's really good. Oh, it's on. It's on my tongue. You're on. Tour of Oahu day complete. Didn't quite go to how we had originally envisioned it.
No, it misted for almost the entire day, and the wind was about 20 to 30 mile per hour gust occasionally. So most of the day I had my sweatshirt on.
Yeah, it was actually quite a chilly, unusual Hawaiian day, but we made the most of it.
We did.
Yep, Diamond Head was cool.
Diamond Head was really fun. That was a really cool trail.
Yeah.
It was just busy.
Well, and a bit slick because
And
it
a bit
rained
slick,
overnight.
so we probably should have had our more hiking shoes on versus our tennis shoes.
Yeah, but it was cool. Unfortunately, the sunrise was kind of lackluster due to
Because
the
it
cloud
was all
cover.
cloudy, so we didn't really have a sunrise.
Yeah, but then we just randomly drove up to Kailua.
Yeah, I walked around Kailua again for a little bit and just saw their pretty terrain, so that was fun.
Took photos, and then continued up the North Shore, stopped at Turtle Bay.
Yep, Turtle Bay Beach Resort.
Yep, walked around the public access beach, and then also the resort up there.
And then continued on to Sunset Beach.
Yeah, where they're having the Surf World Cup
qualifying rounds.
Yeah, so that was cool. I mean,
we saw the actual big cameras and the huge telescopic guys with their huge telescopic lenses.
I mean, it made our 7-mile trip take 30 minutes, but
yes.
Oh, and then Vintage.
Then we went to Vintage Island Coffee for lunch. And had a really good poke. Yep. And
a good chicken pesto sandwich.
Chicken pesto sandwich, but I'm still kind of full from it.
I think the sodium is killing me.
Yeah, the sodium was a little much for a little
Yeah, but that was a really cute town. And then groceries at Safeway. Oh, I need to activate that code. Where it is.
Yeah. So we did groceries at Safeway, which was really good, and then
scattered out the beer selection for me starting tomorrow.
But what we kind of found out is that I don't know if we'll need to come back to this area to try to get to places. I don't know if it's really worth it because the splitting up of the
of our time
of our holiday is, I think, more invasive than us having to drive longer to get to a hike if we need to.
I would have to concur. I felt like we've been living out of a suitcase here for the last couple days.
We haven't been able to really get real groceries.
Yeah, so it's we're going to transfer again, so. Yeah. I think, it's all just a learning process.
Yep, we don't know unless we go.
Yep, and the good news is we got a lot more years of doing holidays to, figure that out. So.
And I'm sure we're coming back to Alani again.
I know, so just got to pack it up because tomorrow I think the real holiday starts.
Yes.
It's Alani time. Yep, so.
So, until tomorrow.
Hang loose.